When in Rajasthan, a visit to some of the rare gems is a must, like this beautiful Karni fort at Bambora. Maybe the city is not so prominent in the traveler's itinerary, but for a foodie, why not? It would be a novel experience to get tickled by the spicy, fiery and delectable tastes of the Bambora cuisines. The first recipe is called Dongriyo Maas, a unique mutton dish. First fry onions in ghee, then add salt, turmeric and red chilli powder. Saute it for a while, then add the paste of garlic, ginger and onion. In the end, put tomato puree. On a piece of coal, add a bit of ghee and place it on the dish to give that smoky flavor. Once the meat softens, your Dongriyo Maas is absolutely ready. Besan or gram flour is a favorite of the people of Rajasthan. Now we cook besania. In this quick recipe, make a batter of gram flour, salt, turmeric and red chilli powder. In a pan, add ghee. Then put garlic, onions and green chilies. Pour the flour mixture into this oil and cook it for some time, till the aroma comes out. Garnish it with green coriander leaves and chilies and enjoy. If you have liked these recipes, please like, share and subscribe.